yung Tingog Party List na Memorandum of Agreement with DBP and PhilHealth. Kasi nakakaloka ito. Nag-post si Dr. Leacion, teka lang ha. Manny Ledesma, ito si Manny Ledesma. Ano to? Head siya ng PhilHealth. Head doon ng PhilHealth. Manny Ledesma. Ayan. Nagkaroon sila ng MOA signing. At yung MOA signing, ayan yung mga participants. O, di ba, nandun si Martin. Ayan. So, Tingog, PhilHealth, DBP, signing of Memorandum of Agreement. December 6? December 8? Yeah, December 8, 2024. Ayan. Okay. So, ang first question dito really is, anong ginagawa ng Tingog dyan? Bakit may Tingog? At bakit nakikipag-MOA ang Tingog sa GOCCs? Kasi ang unang question dito is, Tingog Party List is a political organization. Why are you giving a political organization a personality to enter into an agreement with DBP and PhilHealth? Ito yung allegedly yung MOA na pinirmahan. Pinost ni Dr. Leacion. Ito yata. Teka, ayan.
Alam mo, isa talaga sa pinakamalaking sanhi ng gulo dito is si Martin.
Oo. Totoo.
Alam mo yon? Kasi si Martin talaga, parang feeling ko nga parang na-held hostage na yung mag-asawa.
Oo. Sobrang balahura, puta.
Amshi, blink twice if you need to be rescued.
Siya na yung nagde-decide sa lahat
Ano talaga? Kasi nga presidente na si Bongbong Ano naman ngayon? Nakabalik na siya sa Malacanang, parang natupad na ang pangarap. So, pangarap naman ni Martin yun ang kailangang matupad.
Oo.
Kaya hahamak para lang sa pahamak. Ay, sa pangarap. And, ayun na nga, in the end, hindi natuloy yung redemption.
True. Tapos, naging ano na to?
Redemption ni Kuya.
Ano, sorry?
Hindi natuloy yung redemption ni Kuya.
Oo, true. Ayun. Bakit tinanggal ni attorney ni Leacion yung documents? Tinanggal niya Wali na.
Well, baka may nagutos na tanggalin niya.
Natanggalin niya. Tinanggal yung Kaya kasi pinost niya yung MOA. Tapos, kanina di ba galing tayo dun sa niya? Wala na yung... ito. Okay, ayan. Okay. Dr. Tony Leacion. Dalawa pala yung account niya. Isang Tony Leacion at saka Dr. Tony Leacion. Ayun. Ito yung MOA. Allegedly, ito raw yung draft. But Tingog here is described as a political party list organized under the laws of the Philippines and registered with the COMELEC with principal address Kenembot. Okay. Pagkatapos, meron kasi sila dito, duties and responsibilities. Ayan. Ito. So the project is called Maalagang Republika Rural Financing Health Development Program. Okay? So ang goal is financing program for LGUs that intend to rehabilitate, expand, or construct its local hospital. This financing scheme is supported by the National Health Insurance Program and Universal Healthcare Program to secure loans taken from the financing program. The national government as well as Tingog shall assist LGUs. Ito the national government as well as Tingog. Putang inang yan. In ensuring the continuous operation of said hospital or facility. The credit facility may be utilized for the following purposes: development and construction of hospitals, renovation, expansion work for healthcare facilities, modernization, kinembot, acquisition, leasing for the purchase of healthcare facility, inventory, purchase orders, pati supply, tangina. Finance receivables from PhilHealth, HMOs, corporate clients, finance healthcare facility operations. Shared undertaking of the parties. Ayan. The parties to undertake to hold all information, documents, and reports obtained in the course of agreement in strict confidence and shall be subject to the restrictions and conditions prescribed under pertinent laws. Para putang ina. Seryoso? What do you mean by strict confidence? Di namin pwedeng malaman yan. Bakit confidential to? Why? Asan yung, teka lang ha. Meron dito yung description ng gagawin ng ano eh. Yung gagawin ng tingog. Ayan, ito. Tingog. Ayan, ito yung mga roles nito ng ano, roles nitong mga parties. Ayan. Si DBP may be authorized under its charter and consistent with its existing credit policies and guidelines and craft offer its lending program. So, magpapautang si DBP. Okay? To provide cash management and collection facilities to ensure proper management of funds and flow of loans repayments. Okay? Si PhilHealth shall conduct activities geared toward increasing membership and utilization of medical insurance benefit consistent with the Universal Healthcare Act. Okay? Designate DBP as one PhilHealth depository bank. Shall study and consider DBP the alternative settlement for bank auto credit. So, PhilHealth, kasi yan yung may pera, yan yung may pondo. Yan yung may pondo. So, ang trabaho raw nila is to increase membership and utilization of medical insurance benefit. Medical insurance benefit, yung mga i-offer nila, nababayaran nila. Kasi di ba, si PhilHealth, nagbabayad siya ng mga certain health coverage eh, di ba? Now, si Tingog, ang role niya, shall assist and coordinate with LGUs in ensuring their participation to the program. Shall provide complementary programs and trainings to ensure fiscal viability of the operations of the hospital. Shall provide necessary support in financing health expenses of the patient through its medical assistance program. What are those necessary support? Kayo hahawak ng procurement, ng mga supply, kayo yung hahawak ng construction ng mga hospitals, expansion ng mga healthcare facilities and whatnot. Is that the support that you're talking about? Tingog?
Bakit sila umiepal?
Ha?
Bakit sila umiepal?
I do not know. Tingog Party List is a political organization. Ngayon, you're going to enter into a MOA kung 2025 hindi kayo ma-elect. Ano to?
Hanggang kailan ang MOA?
There's no date. Teka.
Meron yan.
Teka lang, check natin.
Ano yung forever? Infinity? Tangina mo.
Ayan o, wala nga. This agreement shall continue to be in full force and effect unless otherwise revoked. Oh. Tapos, nagbigay lang ng termination of agreement. Magbigay ka lang ng 30 days notice.
So it's flexible
Wala siyang sunset clause.
Flexible agreement.
Mm-mm.
Hanggang nakikinabang tayo pareho, effective.
Correct. And I think Tingog Party List should be investigated. Sa totoo lang, sobrang powerful ng Tingog Party List sa House of Representatives. Kapag kunwari, merong ayudahan na nangyayari, kunwari si District 1 ng probinsyang Kinembot, magpapamigay ng pera ng ayuda, Tingog Party List will be there. Magpapamigay ng pera kasama ang Tingog Party List. Saan nanggagaling ang pera niyo? Ba't ang dami niyong pinapamudmod? You also have almost 200 plus satellite offices. Saan nanggaling yung pinagpatayo ninyo ng mga satellite offices? I mean, you have to tell us what's your financial model in order to do these things. Because if you can do it using private funds, dapat malaman natin kung anong financial model ninyo kasi gayahin natin yan. Putang ina, para kayo may balon ng pera, paano nyo namamanage yan? Saan galing yung pera ninyo? Yeda, Kong Asidre, Martin. Diba? I mean, if you are so good in whatever that you are doing, I think it is high time to reveal your financial model. Where do you get your money? Where do you get your money? Diba, meron raw statement ang Tingog. Puntahan natin ang Tingog. Teka lang Tingog. Parang block ako ng Tingog. Hindi lumalabas yung ano nila sa akin. Teka lang, puntahan natin yung statement ng Tingog kung sakaling nag-ano sila. Ngayon, pag kayo, pinili kayo na coordinator, political party, let's say natalo kayo, and you're still going to be, block nga ako ng Tingog party list. Mga putang ina nito mga to. Ayan. Okay. Ito yung, basahin lang natin yung ano ng Tingog Party List, statement ng Tingog Party List. It is deeply disappointing that malicious accusations have been made in social media regarding the recently signed Memorandum of Agreement among the Development Bank of the Philippines and Philippine Health Insurance Corporation. Philippine Health Insurance Corporation and Tingog Party List without first seeking clarification from our end. The initiative outlined in the MOA is a transparent and straightforward. Putang ina ninyo, nakalagay doon strict confidence Ano sinasabi nyo transparent? Release the MOA. Ano yung pinirmahan ninyong MOA? Draft yun Nakalagay nga doon strict confidence, lahat ng dokumento pertaining to that agreement. Anong transparent ang sinasabi niyo mga putang ina nyo?
Well, it's transparent that they are emerald. That is transparent. Again, they are doing it because they can.
True.
They may not be allowed. She may not.
My God, the initiative
outlined
in the
she may not allowed to do it, but they can do it.
Just me. Let me just continue reading the statement of Tingog. The initiative outlined in the MOA is a transparent and straightforward effort to address the long-standing gaps in healthcare infrastructure in rural areas. It facilitates the construction, expansion, and upgrading of hospital and clinics, as well as acquisition of much-needed medical equipment. Unfortunately, statements misrepresenting this program misled the public and undermine its noble objective. Ganito yan, Tingog. Okay, Jude Asidre, Yeda Romualdez, Martin Romualdez. You cannot favor a political organization to take on a project like this because we have executive offices having same goals. Why are you overstepping the function of our executive offices, Department of Health, at yung iba pang mga executive offices natin who would actually have the same duties and responsibilities? Ngayon, did you even explain the inadequacy dun sa part? Kasi dyan lang kayo magkakaroon ng space para umentrade. You could at least explain the extreme inadequacy of our executive system, of our executive offices dealing with the problem. Ikaw naman, Bongbong, tatanga-tanga ka, bakit ka pumapayag sa ganito? Sobrang baboyan naman to, nakakadiri naman to. Now, hindi namin kailangan mag-isip ng maliciousness dito or what not. You do not have a space for this kind of project, Tingog. Wala kayong space dito. You are legislator. You are not implementer of any fucking projects.
Pero sandali lang gusto ko lang ng fair is fair. Gusto ko lang batiin si Professor Shelo Magno. Alam mo naman, Professor Shelo Magno, we're not really the best of friends and this is not RuPaul's best friend race.
Correct. Mm-mm.
Fair is fair. Tama naman yung pag-ano mo dyan.
Correct. And I am one with Professor Shelo Magno in this one,
Oo, Professor Shelo Magno, hindi natin kailangan maging magkaaway ng forever, no? There are areas of convergence and we have to accept that, no?
Correct.
Hindi naman tayo 5 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Pare-pareho na tayong nakahawak ng nota. So, we're past being virginal and grade 5 emerald. So, tama na kino-call out ito dahil balahuraan na talaga ito.
Correct. And this is among yung PhilHealth issue. Yan yung issue na talaga naman kahit anong political color agrees na agree na talagang mali yung sa PhilHealth na yun, yung transfer ng pera ng PhilHealth to the National Treasury. And this one is also one thing that I think kahit anong political color meron ka, this is unacceptable. Ngayon, yung kapal ng mukha dito ng Tingog Party List to say that this is transparent when your MOA actually says that you have provision on strict confidentiality pagdating sa lahat ng reports, documents pertaining to this project. How can that be transparent, mga putang ina nyo? Pagkatapos ngayon, you have the audacity to make a statement that this is a transparent kinembot? Talaga ba? Ngayon, sasabihin nyo, this is a noble keme, this is a noble ganyan-ganyan. In this noble job of yours, you are in no position to enter a MOA dealing with our money, you being as a political organization na hindi naman kayo sigurado kung kayo ay mananalo din sa mga susunod na eleksyon.
Hindi, bakit ang legislative nakikipag-partner ng ganyan?
Correct.
That is, di ba ang trabaho ng Tingog gumawa ng batas? Kung gusto niyo makipag-MOA ng ganyan, di maging NGO na lang kayo.
Correct.
Di ba parang kay Mama Lenny, yung kanyang aangat buhay, may mga MOA din naman siyang ganyan. And that is perfectly acceptable because it is an NGO. Hindi naman yung government, hindi naman yung legislative party, hindi naman yung political party. So, kung gusto niyo ganyan pala ang takbo ng buhay ninyo, Tingog, huwag na kayong tumakbo ng politika, mag-NGO na lang kayo.
True. Ngayon, ito, I vehemently disagree dito sa sinasabi ninyo, Tingog Party List, that you are being transparent. Remember yung yung kaninang binasa natin kung ano yung coverage ng project? Kahit pag-procurement ng supply, pagpapatayo ng ospital, renovation, kineme, ganyan. Lahat sakop nyo eh. Pagkatapos, ang role ninyo is support. You did not even identify what exactly is the kind of support that you're going to lend here. Kayo magpa-facilitate ng bidding? Kayo magpo-procure? Kayo anong support dito? You're actually not very transparent doon sa sinabi niyo support ang role ninyo. Anong support?
Hindi, ano ba yung support na maibibig? What exactly is the kind of support that you're going to give in order to make the job of PhilHealth more effective and efficient? Doon tayo. I don't think so that you can give them anything that will make si Edwin Hamora pala nandito. Mama Edwin. Mama Edwin, i-post mo yung comment niya maganda. Ganito lang yan mga bakla. Sinong bakla?
For exactly Ganito lang yan, mga
Sorry,
bakla.
ikaw ba ang bakla dito? Ikaw ba ang bakla dito?
For exactly the same reason why OVP's budget was totally blanked out. Kasi nga daw, sabi ng mga inanitang HOR, especially convicted criminal Castro, streamlined daw nila with other department doing the same exact job. Also, excellent point in pointing out tingog losses.
Yeah, ako nga wala na nga ako dun sa kung matalo sila eh. Kahit manalo pa sila, parang anong point? NGO ba kayo? Hindi naman kayo NGO. Una-una, hindi kayo NGO. Ikalawa, what exactly is tingog? What is your technical expertise?
This is undue favor, undue favor sa tingog. Clearly, this is the House of Representatives, well, the entire government, this also includes the executive branch of government. Why are you giving undue favor to tingog party list? This is graft and corruption right in front of our faces. And I think ombudsman should act. Kasi this is undue favor. Bakit sa tingog nyo ibibigay yung coordination and whatever? Why are they performing tasks that can be very well performed by the executive offices of our government? What is the role of tingog here? They are representatives, congressmen, legislators sila. What is your business in doing some executive function that is not within your job description? So, wag nyo kami pinuputang ina dito sa statement ninyo. May pa-effect pa kayo ditong transparent. Paano naging transparent? Labas niyo yung pirmadong MOA. Para magkaalaman tayo dito kung ano talaga yung duty ninyo dyan, kung ano talaga yung support na tinutukoy nyo dyan. Ilabas niyo yung MOA. Mga balahura kayo, kadiri kayo. Kasi, talaga nakaka-high blood talaga to. Ayun. So to clarify, the program operates as follows. The DPP will provide LGU access, kineme-kineme. Yeah, this is what we saw in the MOA. Complement these efforts by assisting LGU navigating programs through advocacy, capacity building initiative, and other forms of support. What kind of support? What kind of support? Identify the support. Identify specific act of support. Diyos me. It is important to emphasize that there will be no transfer of funds to tingog party list. O hindi ka itatransfer, pero kayo pahawakin ng mga ng mga projects. Kayo magde-decide. Hindi naman kailangan kayo ang hahawak ng pera para kumatkong kayo eh. Hindi naman necessary na kailangan mapunta sa inyo yung pera para meron kayong katkong. Pinaggagagagon niyo yung pinaggagagagon ninyo mga Pilipino. My God. The loan arrangement are strictly between LGUs and DBP following stringent banking policies. Moreover, tingog has no role in selecting LGUs or managing funds. This accusation are baseless. Yeah. Pero kayo kakahahawak ng mga bidding. Hindi ba? Kayo mamimili or whatever. Kayo magpa-facilitate. Kayo magpa-provide ng mga Since kayo nang nakakaalam ng lahat ng project na gagawin, kayo rin ang may hawak ng lahat ng supplier or whatsoever, hindi nyo kailangang hawakan yung funds para sabihin na walang korupsyon dito, tingog. Rural Financing Health Development Program aims to address critical gaps in healthcare services across the country. It is unfortunate that instead of supporting this initiative to uplift our healthcare system, some have chosen to politicize and misrepresent its goals. Your goal cannot be misrepresented because it's not clear to begin with. Ano mini-misrepresent sa inyo? Hindi nga namin alam kung ano yung support na gusto nyo gawin dito sa putang inang arrangement na to. Anong misrepresent? What misrepresentation are you talking about? You are ambiguous to begin with. Diyos ko. We urge those spreading misinformation to correct their statement and focus on the facts. In the interest, transparency, and public service, we remain open to dialogue. How can there be a misinformation if you are not providing us the real information. Ilabas nyo yung signed MOA. Ilabas nyo yung signed MOA para walang misinformation dito. At this moment, what is sure is that you are part of this MOA. And you're not supposed to be part of this MOA because you are a legislator. Anong role mo sa mga executive duties na ganito? Kongresista kayo mga putang ina nyo. Anong part doon yung hindi nyo naiintindihan? This is very, very fundamental. Binababoy nyo yung separation of powers dito. Diyos me. Tingog Party List steadfast in its mission to serve Filipino people and advance program that improves lives, especially in underserved communities. Now, if you are doing so well, then tell us what's your financial model. Where is your money coming from that affords you to distribute money all over the Philippines, and most of the time together with district representatives? But mas marami pa kayong pera sa mga district representatives. Where do you get your money? I-reveal ninyo yung financial model ninyo. I think Tingog should be audited by COA, should be investigated by the Ombudsman because of this obscene show of spending money. Ang claim ninyo ay galing to sa private funds. You are government official right now. When a money is received from private entity, it becomes part of the public funds. Where is your record? Show that to us. You should be investigated by the Commission on Audit and by the Ombudsman because this is just so obscene. My God. Sobrang kadiri. Sobra pong kadiri to. And I'm so sorry ha, hindi kasi po pwede tingog na hindi noble yung intention namin, noble. But you are not respecting the laws. You are not respecting the fundamental separation of powers here. Sino ba kayo? You are a party list. You are a sitting congressman. Sitting representatives. You do not have, and you are not allowed to engage in this executive functions. At kung i-argue ninyo that this is done because of an oversight power, then what is the legislation? Tingog Party List. Huwag nyo kaming binobobo. Huwag nyo kaming binobobo, my God. This is kantutan to the highest level. Sobra. Ayun. Anyway, meron kong gustong i-share, Sas. Ayun. Mahal na Reyna, Elena, gusto mo umakyat?
Well, ano mang i-share ko? Ang i-share ko is, maganda yung point na bakit mas powerful kayo sa mga legislative district congressmen. Wala naman kayong constituents. Yung mga congressman, meron silang direct constituents. Yung Tingog, umiikot-ikot lang kayo kung saan-saan emerald. Alam mo yon na parang, ayun na nga ba ang sinasabi ko, no? Yung hindi nyo, ano ba yung mga batas na naipasa ng Tingog?
Actually, most of the time, pagka merong legislative measure na nandun si Martin Romualdez, nandun rin si Edna, at saka si Gita Sidre. Yeah.
Oo, nandun din sila.
Mm.
Sabi ni Gerald Calzado, "Joy, may ask ako kay Sas if I may." O tanong mo na.
Go na.
Ano yun?
Ayun.
Yung mga ka-moisture, ayan. Salamat sa mga nagpapadala ng tip. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Mm.
Hmm.
Ayan. Thank you very much. Sabi, ginawa ni Tingog sarili niya as clearinghouse ng PhilHealth DBP programs. And si PhilHealth si DBP yung parang magma-manage lahat ng financial transaction ng PhilHealth.
Ano ba yan, Gerald? Ano ba yan, Gerald, yung tanong mo?
Pwede matanong kay Sas if suhulan ni Onanay ang INC ng 1 trilyones para di matuloy ang rally, posible ba? Payat yan sa INC, parang ang dami naman nilang pera. As a church.
Una-una, bakit ka magsusuhol ng 1 trillion? Saan mo kukunin yung pera? Who in the right mind would give 1 trillion? Bex, for what? Para lang hindi makapag-rally? Do you really think, even if you don't like Lisa Marcos, why would you give out 1 trillion para lang hindi makapag-rally? Do you really think that there are no other ways than spending 1 trillion? Bex, kahit ako kung may 1 trillion ako, then manakay matanggal ka dyan, BBM. Ba't ko naman isasalba ang buhay mo for 1 trillion? It's unrealistic, Bex.
True. Napaka-creative ng Tingog, mako-core nila lahat ng requirements for contractors and suppliers procurement. Exactly. And there is no need for there is no need for them to handle the money. Katkungan yan eh. Isi-shepherd niya lahat ng bidding, lahat ng ito, merong need dito, meron dito, ganyan, eme. May katkong sila sa lahat.
Eto nga, pag ang INC nagsalita na yan. Pag binitawan na nila yung salita nila, binitawan na yung salita nila. What do you think would INC members think na bigla, ay, nawala na. Ano nga sila, may isang salita. Kaya nga 'di ba may black voting yan dahil nga talagang what has been said that's already been said, ganon. Anyway, yung Tingog, it's a very mystical organization.
Hindi natin alam kung ano ba sila. Di ba parang, saan ka gawa? Why are you everywhere? Saan nanggagaling ang pera mo? Bakit kung ano-ano pinaggagawa mo na above and beyond doon sa iyong personality bilang isang political organization, bilang isang political party list? Diba? Nakakaloka. Diyos me. Sobrang, my God. This is just so obscene. Ayun. If you're doing so well, no, kung kunwari talagang sobrang, daming natulungan ng Tingog, talagang nakapagpamigay ng pera, ganyan. I think, sabi ko nga, no, it's about time that you reveal your financial model. Where is your money coming from? Para ma-emulate lahat ng mga NGOs. Lahat ng mga organization na gustong makatulong sa kapwa. Saan galing yung pera ninyo? Diba? Yeda is the head of Committee on Accounts. So, siguro baka mabigyan mo kami ng insight, Congressman Yeda Romualdez. Kung kung paano ba kayo nagkakapera dyan sa Tingog. Mystical, di ba andyan sa kanila ang mystical city of Biringan? Baka doon pala galing ang pera. Mahal na Reyna Elena. 'Di ba? Baka doon pala galing ang pera. Sabi, dami yung scholars ang Tingog, ask nyo pa taga Region 8. So, saan galing yung pampapa-scholar nila dun sa mga yun? NIAR. Madami nga silang pinapamudmud na pera, eh, yung mga congressman nagpapamudmud ng mga pera, lagi nilang kadikit yang tingog, eh. I don't think may doubt dun sa dami ng benepisyaryo nila, no? Ang tanong dun, saan galing yung pera nila?
Saan galing yung pera? O marami silang scholar, pera mo naman yung ginagamit. So, hindi nila scholar yun. Scholar mo yun.
Oo.
Ano ba?
Ayun. Sa budget nila po, o paano sila nagkaroon ng budget? At bakit kung meron silang budget para dyan, bakit walang budget yung ibang kongresista para doon? Na ganun rin karami. Diba? Anong
Sa
petsa na?
Sa budget nila. Saan galing yung budget nila? Sa pera mo. O hindi nila.
Correct. Ganito. For 2024 budget, there was 500 billion pesos allocated for social amelioration. Anong petsa na? December na. This 500 billion peso social amelioration should be audited to the last cent. Saan napunta? Sinong gumusta? Sinong nagkontrol ng pera? Kanino pinabigay? Asan na ang mga tama ba yung mga beneficiary ninyo? You know, there are so many irregularities sa pagpapamudmod ng mga ayuda. In fact, meron pa nga dyan tupad, supposedly para dun sa mga trabahanteng nawalan ng trabaho, pagkatapos ang recipient, estudyante. This happened in Cavite. Ang daming ganito. Ang daming ganito. Yung mga pinapagpamudmudan ninyo ng pera are actually beneficiaries na hindi naman talaga sila yung target na beneficiary. 500 billion, and it must be audited to the last cent. In 2025, yan ang dapat na binabantayan natin. Kayo, Commission on Audit, how are you going to audit that distribution of humongous amount of national budget, of people's money, at siguraduhin na yan ay napunta sa tamang mga benepisyaryo? Kita-kita tayo sa 2025, dyan sa 500 billion na pinamigay ninyo. Okay ba? Kita-kita tayo sa 2025. Ayun. Kakaloka. Ayan.